Hey guys, it's #1 Pug Fan Pugs, and I just made a YouTube video about this. Go check out my sister's YouTube channel. It's Girly Gamer 531 or 2, I don't know. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and click that little bell and add a comment to see what you want to do for me to do next. And go to her channel, like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that little bell. And don't forget and do all that stuff. And I'll see what I can do next. I might prank Raina. Never know. Okay, let's get on to what I was going to do. Okay, I have all the colors subtract inside these little containers. This one is blue. No, wait, this one is the greenish bluish. This one is the blue. This one is the green. This one is the gold. This one is the pink. This one is the purple. Okay, now we really need to get back onto this video. See? A little tiny purple. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Distracted by the purpleness of the oozy nose. Yeah, I'm a real life maniac. You are. Ooh, okay. Now, let's get back onto the video. Now this is what it looks, all the colors look like all together. My phone's charging, by the way. This is why it's like this, and I can't move it anywhere else. See, like this. It's like tie-dye colors, like galaxy. And I'm fixing to see what happens whenever I do mix all of these little things, colors inside these little bowls and containers. Now, did I introduce you to this giant thing I got from the spirit store? Oh wait, I forgot to tell you. Okay, this giant eraser says for really big mistakes. I got a little thing, squishy, for use, and I got these at open house because today I went to open house and it was really fun. I saw some friends, saw my friend Mercedes, saw Trayton, saw Cole. Yep, he was looking at the fishies, and I only a fish tank got cleaned out, even though the fishies weren't even in there. Cam Newton! Yeah, as I saw, my papa was watching football, so yeah. And Raina, hey sissy, when is school starting? 4 days. Why can't it? Technically 3. Okay, so in 3 days school started. Technically 4, but if you don't count today. Okay. No. Now I don't know really what I'm gonna do with this slime. I'm just gonna like play around with it. But now I decided that's not what it's all about. Slime's about playing. Ooh, purple, got you, and pink, and pink. Okay, blue, pink, purple, bluish greenish, and gold. Now, let's see what happens when I put them all together. set up a really good setup here. Now, do this on my eraser. Okay, I'm putting it all together. It looks like this. Now, what should I do with this? It looks really cool. I'm going to keep this. For really big mistakes. What should I do with this stuff? Hey, Raina, Papa, what should I do with my goo?
Put it in the bowl, babe.
Like, I'm trying to make a YouTube video and I don't know really what to do with it. I just mixed like 3 colors. Ta-da! What should I do? I don't really know what to do with this.
Play with it, babe. What y'all do today? Anything?
Yeah, we did a lot of things. You know what we did. Okay. Forget about that nonsense. Okay. I don't really know what to do with this gooey stuff. I think I should like move down to the floor or something. Okay, so I'm not cutting up and stuff. Okay, you guys,